As most of the country, we deal with residue. So, we're going out, we're getting ready to make some application of excavator that we can get from Meristem to help break down the residue there. Then we'll start strip tilling, get some fertilizer in place. The problem with the wet spring is the length of time in which we can strip till before the corn crop. So if we get jammed up and it stays wet, we'll just start no-tilling our corn straight. And then another reason why we want to be sure to get the excavator out in time so we can start breaking that residue down. Not just residue, but then we start getting the nutrients get released from the residue into our soil. Years ago, when I think about my granddad, and you started talking about biology, it was just fertilizer and, controlling weeds. And then we got into where we were like, let's start going into no-till. And then now we're trying to feed the biology because now we got to live in soil. And we think about how can we best do that? Get the biology products there near the seed. So you got the REVLINE hopper topper. That's a great product for a grower that here he's putting out his talc on his corn seed. He's also putting some micronutrients. And then he's also adding some biology where it's going to help release nutrients and then your crop's going to respond better. That is a new thought. You think generational changes. This is something on the cutting edge now. The excavator is being one. Here now we get more nutrient release. So then we can, soil sample. We've been doing this for a little while and we've done a lot of trials and we see not only yield benefit, but we see our nutrients levels in our soils. The only way a grower learns something is if he leaves a control. That's hard, but a grower will not forget to do something that he knows pays. And when you see the success of those, whether it's tissue sample, soils, and then follow up with yield, grower's not going to give that up. So be open-minded to try whether it's some new products from Meristem or just try some new techniques on your own operation. If a grower can change one thing this year, just try it and then compare it and you'll see continuing success over time.